Hi, welcome to Lifestyles by Lola. I'm Lola. So it's Christmas season, and what better way to start than with a mocktail? This is my take on the classic pina colada. I'm calling it a Christmas colada. A great drink for kids or anyone who doesn't want to drink alcohol at your next holiday party. Super simple. Coconut milk, pineapple juice, a little bit of green sugar to rim the top of the glass, and a little bit of strawberry syrup to drizzle on the inside and add that green, red, white color that you're looking for. And at the end, of course, we've got to top it off with a little baby candy cane. So I like to use water to rim the glass. I have a little bit of water on the saucer. I just dump my glass into that to get the edges, and then I take that same glass and just run it along the sugar, just so I can get a nice thick rim of green. And then once I've done that, I can move on to the next step of actually putting the chocolate syrup or strawberry syrup, whichever one you decide to do, in the glass. I do it in a nice little swirl. We used to do a lot of fun cocktails like this at CLO, and kids always love pretending like they were a part of the party with a mocktail like this. And the parents felt great because they didn't have to worry about having something fun for the kids to drink, and they were still a part of the party. So I've got my decor. It's all glazed and sparkled up. Now all I have to do is add the mix. You want to shake that up to make sure it's nice and cold and mixed well. And then you're just going to pour it on top. You can see that the syrup stays at the bottom, so you get that red. And then you have the green on the edge. So you get a really nice mix of green, white, and red for Christmas. I like to top it with my little candy cane. And my mom got me these awesome Christmas charms last Christmas. I love it because it's like a little tree. Great for your guests that come. Everyone knows which glass is theirs by the charm that's on their glass. And now we are ready to kick off Christmas season. Happy holidays, and stay tuned as we continue to share Christmas tips. Bye-bye.